To access the printer driver in Windows, simply click on the Windows icon, then on Settings, Devices, and then select Printer and Scanner. Here we find our Epson SCP-400 series printer, which we have just installed. We then click on Manage, Printer Settings, and the printer driver now opens. We don't need to adjust much here. Medium, Epson Premium Glossy, that fits. We want to print in color. Under Quality and Quality option, we can configure the desired quality setting. While Quality Level 3 is a low-resolution setting, a low quality level is particularly recommended for text or monochrome symbols. Level 4 is a medium quality setting, and Level 5 is a high quality setting, which is particularly recommended for fine graphics such as company logos or 2D codes. We turn off the bidirectional option, and we don't want the gloss optimizer either, so we turn this off as well and click on OK. We then select the color profile that we previously installed. Here we simply go to ICM, click on Advanced, and select Host ICM here, which means that the printer driver uses the color profile stored in the system. Under Source, we keep the sheet setting. We can set our paper format under User Defined, so that we can reproduce the entire printing surface of the PrintoLUX stone. Here we select a paper width of 329 mm and length of 230 mm. We can then simply save the whole thing as a print area. In this case, I have named it Print Area Stone. Then click on Save and OK. And that's it with the settings. We can now save the whole thing as a print profile so we don't lose the settings. In my case, I named it PrintoLUX Stone HQ because we selected the high quality setting. Click on Save and OK. We have now stored the settings. If, for example, you want a faster resolution or a faster print quality, then select Quality Level 3 and save the whole thing again under PrintoLUX Stone Fast. Click on Save, and we now have both profiles stored here. You can then select the relevant profile and click on OK. Next, we set up the color profile. To do this, click on Printer Properties, select Color Management in the following window, and click on Color Management. Under Devices, we select our printer and then Use Own Setting for this device, and click on Manual. Our color profile is not yet in this list, which means we have to add it. And here we find our PrintoLUX FB20_400 stone. We select it, click on OK, and set this color profile as the default. We now see default in brackets here, which means it has been applied, and that's it. Just click on Close and OK, and we've now configured all the settings for the software.